Which of the following contains the best mix of items to utilize in a queue name? Option A. Application identifier, function. Option B. Queue purpose, object type, function. Option C. Application identifier, environment identifier, location. Option D. Environment identifier, object type, application identifier. The correct answer is option A. A solution designer is looking to implement a highly available WebSphere MQ solution. In the event of a queue manager failure, there is a requirement for several backup queue managers to get and process the messages from the primary input queue that was being processed by the failed queue manager. Considering the advances in high availability options, for example HACMP, WebSphere MQ clustering, which of the following deployment options is most valid? Option A. ZOS. Option B. ZOS X. Option C. ZOS X Windows. Option D. ZOS X Windows, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. The correct answer is option A. A designer is asked to explain the scope of message encryption provided by the SSL support in WebSphere MQ. Which of the following is the most accurate? Option A. Messages are encrypted by the sending channel agent and decrypted by the receiving channel agent. Option B. Messages are encrypted when they are put on the transmission queue and decrypted by the receiving channel agent. Option C. Messages are encrypted from the time they are put by the application, up to when they are retrieved by the receiving application program's JCall. Option D. The time when messages are encrypted and decrypted is variable, and is controlled by both QMGR and channel attributes. The correct answer is option A. There is concern about the security of an application data, so the solution designer is asked to explain what protection is available from secure. There is concern about the security of an application data, so the solution designer is asked to explain what protection is available from Secure Sockets Layer, SSL. Which of the following best describes the SSL support in base WebSphere MQ? Option A. Confidentiality, data encryption. Option B. Authentication and confidentiality, data encryption. Option C. Authentication, confidentiality, data encryption, and integrity. Option D. Authentication, confidentiality, data encryption, integrity and non-repudiation. The correct answer is option C.